There are differences between each of them, and there's similarities in the class. So all of them are treatment sunscreens. That means they are broad spectrum sunscreens. They protect against UVA and UVB, but they also have other effects that one would want, other good effects that one would want from the skin, for the skin, that are separate from the SPF effects. As far as Extreme Protect SPF 30, it is rather unique because we have an article published in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology that illustrates its DNA protective ability. The other interesting thing that was found when we got that research back and then subsequently published it was that it's not only sun protective, it protects against other types of free radical damage and protects the DNA from that. It's also very moisturizing. Now, comparing it to the other sunscreens that we have, there are more antioxidants and extreme enzymes for DNA protection in Extreme Protect SPF 30 than we have in our other sunscreens. Now, the others also have antioxidant protection, but we couldn't get quite as many antioxidants in there because those are all straight physical blockers. And in Extreme Protect SPF 30, we have a combination of physical blockers plus a little bit of the organic sunscreen in there, and that particular, let's say, finesse of the chemistry allowed us to get more antioxidants in that one. It's also very moisturizing. It's a great humectant. The other sunscreens are great also. It kind of depends on your preference. Also, preference to texture, because they feel different.